Hi everyone, getting ready to make some juice with some tangerine, pineapple, fresh pineapple, and some pomegranates, which I have already cleaned up. All right, so we start by washing. I'm peeling the tangerine. You actually don't, this is actually very sweet tangerine and doesn't necessarily need to be peeled, but I want to. I like to drink it with the peels, but everybody else in the house does not. So I'm gonna peel it. I added some apple cider vinegar in the water just to clean it out. This is very easy to peel. It literally comes out clean. I'm generally going to peel like 90% of it and leave 10% with the peel. This particular peel is actually sweet. I don't really know the species, but all I know, it is very sweet. It's literally easy to peel it, and it comes out clean. Most of the nutrients actually are in the peel of most fruits. So sometimes it's important to add it to your juice. And I'm going to use the peels as compost as well. So I tend to save them. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut the pineapple. Start by cutting the head. Be careful with them. And then slice it down. You know, you can make some tea with the pineapple peel separately. Again, this is going to be safe. Just slice it enough to fit. All right, the next step is for us to go and put this in the juicer. So we're gonna plug it in. And we're going to put some of this to start with. Start with the tangerine. So I added pomegranate. Yeah, again, being intentional and adding fruits that contain anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a group of antioxidants are contained in red, blue, and purple vegetables and fruits. And as antioxidants, they help in reduction of type 1 diabetes and inflammation and things like cancer by reducing free radicals in our body. So food rich in these antioxidants are really healthy for you. All right, so now what we're going to do is to sieve these and put them in a bottle or refrigerated for consumption. This is the final juice, and it tastes really great. I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator for the family. If this video has been of value to you, please like, subscribe, and thank you. This is Dr. KK.